Yo Cookie, today I'm gonna show you how to change outfit colors. So let's get started. If you are new, then download Ibis paintx. Go to the Ibis paintx, then click on my gallery and then click on plus button plus. And then click on import picture. Take a picture, which picture you want to edit. Click on cancel. Click here. And then click on add layers. And then click here. And click on soft light. Now, you can give the color which color you want. I choose my fave color. Do like this. Just follow me. Don't do this. Thanks for watching this video, and if are new in my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Insta, and Cook.